Ruto and co-accused Joshua Arap Sang each face 3 counts of murder, deportation, persecution after the ethnic war in Kenya in 2007. The ICC tribunal is said to be tainted by The Hague's internal politics, with Thursday's vote to quit the ICC's founding Rome Statute. This call has led many Kenyan politicians to lose faith in the ICC, branding the court as a neo-colonialist one. Dozens of Kenyan MPs have vowed to support Ruto. Approximately 1,100 people died and 60,000 others were displaced post-elections in the year 2007. ICC prosecutors also claim that about 35 people were set alight while others were hacked to death during the violence. Kenyan President Uhuru Kenyatta is also scheduled to face the same charges at The Hague in November. Both Kenyatta and Ruto deny the charges. ICC's chief prosecutor, Fatou Bensouda, has accused the Kenyan government of compromising the ability of the court to probe the crimes.